am General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters and today's guest, and especially Shay. Bow tie, tie how? To start with the subject or topic itself, there was much curiosity, tie how. So definitely there was some demonstration, there was some interesting which possibly I would not know before. It's a good topic, especially for me because I never thought it would be that easy to tie the bow, and I believe many of us will think of tying the bow for next ceremony or some special occasion. Definitely. The purpose, it was very clear to inform, and I believe it the way you explained it within 10 simple steps, definitely it inspires me personally to try it next time. Maybe some of us will definitely would like to do that. Your opening was not eye-catcher as such, but first few lines, those added with the quote from St. John's New York Times, that basically gave the importance for the topic. Why that is a sophisticated to have the bow. Many of the professions you named, the doctor, lawyer, why they have the bow ties, and some reasons, like when if it's a doctor, you go down, then your tie shouldn't be, the normal tie shouldn't be included in whatever the business you are doing. So that's a nice job there to attract the people's attention towards the topic. That's a nice job. Next thing which I liked about overall speech is that you was enjoying while telling it and while demonstrating it. So there was a natural humor, and the cute little smile which follows to that humor, that was the definite attraction throughout the speech. So always it inspires me to, if the topic is near my heart, or if I like to do that thing, that topic basically we enjoy a lot talking about. So good choice again. While demonstrating, another part about the body language, you stood here, not only you demonstrated this side when you kept the thumb here, you also came a little bit here and demonstrated that side. And many of us, and actually personally me, many times I missed addressing both sides of the forum. So definitely good job on the body language. Your properties, definitely the tie was the center of attraction, so you bought the tie and demonstrated it easier way. 10th step, not only just to give the demonstration and then do that in a course, you put it in the slash it in the 10 steps and the 11th easiest step, so that also is easier to understand. In all, I'll say it's a really nice speech. Just one side which I will say that it's the voice variations that might have added, and personally I even has to improve a lot on that particular part, to pitch high for giving the importance on that topic, like 10 little steps or maybe something like that. Maybe that you can improve on. But in all, I'll say it's a really great speech, and we're looking forward to have next speeches coming. Thank you.